Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name Muhammad Al-Fadzi. I come from Politeknik of Jember. I will present about the influence of curcuma on the performance of broiler. Background. Broiler chicken productivity is less. Demonstrated by the connect of substance contained in the feed, both in terms of quantity and quality. However, exclusive of feed can result in increased production costs, so it is necessary to another integrate so as feed additive that can increase of optimal the productivity of broiler chicken with more effective feed. One herbal agreement that can be used is curcuma. The main component of curcuma resin that have medical properties are essential oil and yellow disc or curcuminoid. Curcuminoid components have antibacterial properties that can help kill harmful bacteria in a chicken body. In additive, curcuma contains essential oil that can stimulate pancreas structure so that it can facilitate the process of digestion of food and increase metabolism. The problem faced by broiler breeder. Problem 1. Lack of appetite in chicken that causes chicken body weight does not meet standard. Problem 2. Lack of chicken ability of absorb nutrients in feed well. And problem 3. Less optimal feed that cause low feed efficiency. Research purpose to find out how much influence the administration of curcuma on broiler chicken feed, with the properties of curcuma in different feed. Benefit of research. Benefit for research should be used as a reference for conducting research in the future. And benefit for breeder, it should be used as information in increasing the productivity of broiler. Theoretical foundation. Broiler chicken breeding in the business of broiler chicken breed must and develop to keep their livestock alive by meeting all their livestock needs. Food as the main requirement must be provided so nutrient needs are met, with food that match the nutrient need for life and production. This production to will not work well, even that can occur due to feeding that is not according with the need. Theoretical foundation. Curcuma can improve the work of digestive organ, stimulate the wall of the libido to result bile and stimulate the release of pancreas sub-connecting amylase, lipase, and protease enzymes that are useful for improving the digestion of feed ingredients so as carbohydrate, fat, and protein. In addition of curcuma and drumedae plant, there are also great plants that have chemical content including estimated oil, though foundation can also interest upward. This global essential oil contain flavor compounds, phenol and terpenols, which have antibody bacterial against essential oil and Bacillus subtilis. Research methods. This research was conducted for 2 months and conducted in 2 stages, namely the prevention of feed and maintenance of broiler chicken. This study used 18 broiler chicken with commercial feed BP11 production by PT Ceron Pokpan. The determined material used is curcuma. The result design used was a completely randomized design with 4 treatments and 4 replicants, 8 replicant constant, or 5 broiler. That order of treatment give is P0 feed with 0% curcuma flour, P1 feed with 1% curcuma flour, P2 feed with 2% curcuma flour, and P3 feed with 3% curcuma flour. The variable examined in this study are 1. Feed consumption. Feed consumption is the amount of feed consumption in a created period of time. Feed consumption is about by calculating the difference between the amount and remaining feed from the total amount of feed given different by the number of chicken. 2. Increase in body weight. Calculating of body weight is done by weighting the body weight per head and the end of the week minus body weight per head at the beginning of week. Calculate. 3. Feed conversion. Feed conversion will be obtained from a comparison of amount of food consumption with body weight again during maintenance. The data about were analyzing the analysis of variable using the F-test to determine the effect of treatment. If the treatment has significant effect on the variable, then is continue with the last segment difference test.